with a professional, confident delivery. Brand consistency dies by 1,000 small decisions. That nearly right orange, the slightly off font, they add up. But what if your entire brand, every color, font, and logo, could be applied with just one click? In a clear, informative tone, StudioCut's Brand Library lets you define your look once. Here, you set your preset name, brand colors, searchable fonts, call to action, and upload your logo. Every detail you'd otherwise redecide per video, now decided once. But how does all this detail translate into instant results? That's the real magic.
It's simple. In step 3 of the video wizard, just pick your saved brand preset from the dropdown. Watch as your entire branding section, colors, fonts, logo, and call to action fills in instantly. From that moment, every video you make is the same brand. No decisions left to get wrong. This powerful feature works both ways. Build a look you love inside the wizard, then click Save as Brand Preset, and it's added to your library for next time. For agency accounts, presets are easily shared across your entire team, ensuring client brands are defined once and used by everyone. With a serious, transparent tone, it's important to note that applying custom branding to your productions is a professional and enterprise feature. On lower plans, this section is visible but gated. StudioCut empowers you to maintain perfect brand consistency across every video, effortlessly. Start free today and experience the power of a perfectly consistent brand. Visit studiocut.video.